Piper here. In today's video, this is a real life one. He's recording, and I'm just here. We're doing... We're just doing
Airsoft.
Yep, no, it's my gun.
Yeah.
That's my gun there. So, I think in today's video we're going to be playing a couple rounds. See what you guys think.
So,
Half of them real life.
I actually have my own gun, but this isn't it. It's over there. It's like over there being fixed. So I'm gonna record some for a moment. I forgot to record the first 2 rounds, so whenever we get out, I'll put them in. Okay, we're in here. I'm gonna leave it up for a while. It's not stuck. Also, the not really going to be talking too much because I'll be focusing. Yes, it's on. I will shoot you. Is it shooting? Do you want best? Yes. Yep. It works. I'm okay. No, I'm not. Oh, and the chest plate? Alright, do it at the back. Oh, well, yeah, suppose do it now. Do it my ammo pouches.
I'll take yours. It's you?
Yeah. Yours a Nerf gun on the back? Yeah.
What's wrong with that?
$20 Nerf gun toys.
Quality content.
Quality content. Jesus, I give my gun back. So guys, the guy got my gun fixed. This is my gun, Lancer Tactical M4. It must have been a Nerf party. Yeah, there actually was. I remember I said there's going to be a Nerf party. Walk around, just shoot people with a Nerf gun. Usually I hold my gun about here, so if you ever just see my gun, it's because I'm just walking around. But this game, Maple, do you want to explain the game mode?
Okay, so, the game mode?
You need to step back.
I forgot.
Fire extinguishers.
Say that.
No, it's the fire extinguisher game mode. Go. Explain it.
Oh, so, fire extinguisher. It's a game mode where this guy, he runs and collects fire extinguishers.
Okay, the game mode is, so there's a special VIP guy. Gee.
Did that ricochet on you? My bad,
I'm
bro.
only joking. Well, it actually did. It hit my ammo.
Why is there only 2 of us? There's only 2 red.
There's only 2. Oh, right. I was gonna say. I wonder why they got rid of all down there. Like that. Oh shit.
When we helped,
I know, remember we jumped in the car in the jail blaster party? You're on video. You're on video. Please excuse me. Do you consider to be on video?
I don't know, it doesn't really give me an answer, does it? I know you've got camera on you now, bad boy, and I've got
How did you know?
auto in this
I'm
one.
sorry.
We'll just gang up on him, start knocking on him. I hate these rental masks. around the corner. Don't know where. Found out where. Straight down. There's one up there. There's one up there. Sorry, we'll come. There's someone pushing us. Right, let's go. We can't go that way. He's up there. Hit. Yo, stand there. Go ahead. There's one Dinesh. Go. He's a victim. Head. There, man. We need to cover him. We're on.
One last.
Hit. Good shot. I thought you're an enemy just going off popping on. Where's my gun shooting? You hit?
Yep. Guys to the left.
Dead man talking. Oh wait, are you dead?
Yeah, there's guys out there.
Where are you going? Yo, where are you going?
I have to get my gun.
There's flashing. I was going to. Oh, am I gonna shoot him? I don't know if I'm gonna shoot him. Yep. I can't see anything.
So there's a guy that's sitting there. 80 goes to the corner.
you go. Watch it. What? Green wall?
Read it, I hit you.
I can't play them. Oh. Oh my god. Yeah. Full of chance. Do you consent to be on video?
Yes.
Good. I was gonna shoot you. We need to cover him while we can't practice. I think follow me. I think I know where he is. Yep. See in that little hole? Yo, follow him.
No, trade it, hit your helmet.
Yo.
Watch this left side, watch this left side.
I got him. Hit. Did we get all four on? Yeah? What happened? Yeah. Alright, we're done with that game. I think that's it. Is that it for the over? Is that us for the over? So what? One more game. We done with that game. We exported the VIP. Or not. Yeah, I'm going to defend.
Right, come on, folks. No mics in the safe zone. 10 push-ups. 10
Actually,
push-ups, yep.
I'll do it against this.
No, on the ground, let's go. You don't come and don't shoot you. That's the route, no. Prop leg will shoot you. Nice and keep up, please, thank you.
I can understand that. He made me do 10 push-ups for putting my mag in the safe zone.
And I just walked by. Put your hands up.
Did not put that. Oh, fuck. Oh, there's one safe. There we go. Wait. Oh, deflection. Deflections hurt. Yeah, but that'd be stupid. Yeah, see, I'm gonna go out that way. Maple, does this work? Is that working? Yeah. Ow. What's this? Deflection?
I mean, we all have like a 10% chance every hit to go like this.
Yeah. Well, unless you stand like this. And then you'll obviously get deflection.
Yeah, I'm not risking it. And also, because I have a background, I'll do
Are you allowed 0.2 pounds in here?
Yeah. Because that's what so I said, you give me 0.2 background, so yeah,
I thought you wanted it. I thought it was just 0.2.
I really like how they made that like green ring, so it looks like
Yeah, so it's like glow in the darkish. It actually is glow in the dark. Is it? No.
sort of.
No. Right, do you wanna, where are you gonna go? I'm gonna go out there. That way. Yeah. Maybe to start I'm gonna go tar and then push back in there.
Here?
Yeah. Yeah. People, is it clear? Go, let's go, let's go.
I'm coming.
What? Yep, I hear it. The little kid's coming. The little, oh jeez. Is he there?
I know where he is.
Split up.
One there.
Hit. Joe, stand back from the entrance. We need to cover this if we want to win. Just hold here for a long time. There's the car. We alright? Hit. Yeah.
Oh, that's where we were talking about. You shot that.
No worries.
Yo, get back. There's one more. Right, yeah, we need a couple here. Okay, go. Go. They got another. I see him. Right, let's go. Dead. There's one there. Move right. We alright?
What's up, man?
There is no way. He just got bang bang. Look, why are you saying hit? What?
They win. They win, yeah.
It's just team deathmatch now. There's one down there. Hit! Right in the face. I got shot right in the face. Did you get him?
Shooting down there.
Oh! No, let's go. No, I was just kidding. Just make sure. Right, let's go somewhere else. This place is fucking What? How come this so small? Are you sure it's not friendly? Oh, it's friendly. I was having a dance party. There was a guy at the one.
Someone's right there. Someone's in the front. Let's take that day.
Yo, 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 yo. Is he in par?
I got it.
Oh, did you? It's your last game too. See you later. Hit. Or no?
Just me. I've got a song.
Ah. Someone?
Hello. Hey, you win. You win. Yeah, no, do you want to know about
Yeah, that's. Nope, never mind. Oh my god! Last second. Was that you peeked around the corner last second?
After the window?
Yeah.
We're waving at each other?
Yeah. That was such a good dance. I got that all on video too. I got that on video. I don't know. Was that the last game? You shot me right in the ass. Yeah. And you shot me in the hand, look. Was that last game? No? No?
Jason, you noticed who's got shot in the horse?
No, it's more.
To see if the video stops. Hey, there's 20 minutes left. You want to be a 20 minute keep gas box?
Yeah, it's the last game.